Hello, guys, hello, me, brother, my brother Vinod's here. Actually, no, this is his YouTube channel, but, he's teaching me how to play Ronald. This is not gonna go well. Also, I'm playing music. I should stop it. It's really good though. I like it. Stop it. Okay, there we go. What do I do exactly?
You have to escape and find all the keys
Okay.
and find the
Also,
diamond.
this is not my account, and Vinod's really good. 8K, my brother.
Yeah, I'm really good.
Hey, what's this burger?
Oh yeah, the burger. I already gave it to her. I just got something cool. I just got a badge.
Oh, yeah.
No, I got the badge in RB.
The RB battle?
Yeah, like say.
Cool.
I did it all myself. Like it was so hard.
Yeah, okay. I haven't tried it. I don't want to. Well, I did play this game before.
Well, press that crawl button. It will crawl inside the vents.
Oh, okay. That's a limited time though, isn't it?
You can.
My opinion, Piggy's better in 10 different ways.
Okay, I'll tell you. When Ronald sees you, if you're dead, and then if you have Robux, and then you have to respawn.
I don't have Robux. You have Robux on this account, which is your account. Nice.
Okay,
if you see this guy playing sometimes, is because she's letting me control for now.
Be careful. I heard Ronald coming.
He's not great on computer, and for some reason, and he can only record on the computer. So yeah. And he's not great with the computer, so I'm helping him out right now.
Watch out! I hear Ronald coming. Go down.
We don't hear him because we don't have any sound. We should fix that actually.
Did you try to not turn it on? Wait, dude.
There it is.
Hurry up, man. Ronald's coming for you.
We're not even gonna escape.
Well, we'll need a tiki. Wait! Ow! Wait! That's the Ronald skin. If you're Ronald, then you have to attack the people.
Yeah, I remember Ronald. I just don't remember the controls and all that.
Oh my gosh.
I don't like this game.
Go!
I don't like it. I don't mind if I do.
You already used the white key.
Oh, snap.
No, somebody already used the white key.
What?
Someone already
You're not behind me, Ronald. Shut your mouth.
Yeah, Ronald. That guy has the teal key.
What do you do? That's not teal, no.
Be careful! Don't go down there. It's too... What? I come with David.
Like, can you at least be a little quiet? Not that quiet. I meant like a little, like, lower your voice. It's really loud. And it's my ears are bleeding. That's not a question. That's just a helper. No wrong with Donald. I will not come to you. I don't care. I just won't. I'm stuck. Okay. I'm not stuck.
Oh, use the white key.
Use the key because it's important. I saw you playing. I saw you watching Ronald earlier. You wanted me to play this. After we're gonna play Ronald, which is gonna be the next video.
Bro.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I shouldn't spoil it. Okay.
Bro, someone already used the blue key. Someone else did.
Not. What? How do you do?
Dude, somebody used the.
Ooh, more McDonald's.
No, that's just for the RB battle.
I am so confused, you know. Like, I'm really lost. Piggy maps are smaller than this, and it's. Well, Mom's calling you. Should go down there. I'll take over.
Okay, good luck. Remember, I teach you that. Okay.
Okay.
Remember, I teach you that.
Well, I guess I'm taking over now. Hi. Yeah, really nothing to say. What did you expect me to say? This is his channel, anyways. Oh, we're eating. Sus. Damn it! You're full of tea. I wouldn't have that. Wait, did I? These in the fridge. I don't remember. Oh yeah, I had that white tea. You're Ronald McDonald, I hate you. Not the real one, Ronald.
I'm right behind you.
I know Gooch is Ronald McDonald, and I'm not hesitated to do it. Oh, if you didn't go or 15, yeah, makes my job easier. Don't tell Vanilla this stuff because I can. I can. I don't really have to will actually. It's kind of his money. Okay, maybe I shouldn't. That's too harsh. We're gonna be recording for a bit because, well, this is a return for me, basically. But this is a return for me and introducing my brother's channel. He's basically my alt, but it's actually my brother that's recording sometimes. So he'll be like playing and stuff. Also, he's eating downstairs right now, so I'm taking over now. Pee. Piss word.
I'm right behind you.
That's English. Oh yeah, we have that hero. Oh, he's scared. Scared the mother cop out of me. I literally thought you were Ronald for a second. Oh guys, we gotta go, bro. We gotta go. Come on, bro. We gotta go. You colorblind idiot. We got to go, man. Like we got to go, guys. Oh, we got to go. After this, I'm probably gonna help record stuff. Learning with baby, learning some fun. That was traumatizing. Oh my god. Learning with baby, that was traumatizing. Oh my god, are you okay? Get me started on that. A literal bunny, literally dying. Oh my god. No, seriously, that was traumatizing. Get away from me, Ronald McDonald. I'm not gonna see you putting ketchup on your face today. And I know that's not ketchup on your hammer. That's one thing. To be honest, I haven't really played a Why? It's garbage. I'm joking. I'm joking though. Don't. This game isn't that garbage. I just don't like it anymore that much. And besides, Halloween is 1 month ago. 2 months almost. Actually, it's gonna be 2. I don't know the story for this because it's confusing.
Looks like you found me. Stay away from that. I was almost done with my portal.
Yeah, right, poopy pants.
I've been extracting DNA from this purple specimen. I found it in a parallel universe.
Yeah, right,
my
poopy
evil
pants.
plan will succeed. I have a 5,000 IQ. You can't
Yeah,
stop
right,
me.
Baldy.
Finally. Ow! Ultimate
Yes.
power is mine.
It's just
Time to die.
that is I'm not gonna say over. Stabbed himself. Other word was a little terrible word. Da 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 da. What do I do? There's no There's no mother helling way. I'm not going back in there, buddy. Not in a million years. Which all of us will be dead. In real life, I'm game. Maybe actually. Maybe not. Gotta hack. We gotta hack. I'm hacking this pocket. Yeah, oh God. The hamp. Oh, I can't. Really hack for me. I don't know about this game anymore, to be honest. Don't blame me. Well, I think this is gonna be it, cause yeah. I mean, this game is really dead. Anyway, see you people. I'm out. I don't want to do this. I'm good. Personal info. Personal info. Stop! Stop! Stop it. Okay, finally we're back here. Enjoy the little thing.